In this video, we're told that an IV had been being infused at 58.7 milliliters per hour, and 2 hours later it increased to a rate of 67.4 milliliters per hour. We were asked to calculate the percent change or the percent increase. So a few different ways to think about this. We can calculate the percent change. Oops, let me switch over to my pen. The percent change, you can just calculate the total change, which is also known as the absolute change, over the original value. Another way of thinking about this is by taking the new value, subtracting the old value, and that actually gives us the change. Right? If we subtract the new value, we start with the new value, subtract the old one, that's going to give us what's called the absolute change. And if we divide that by the old value or the original value, then that's going to give us a decimal, which we can then multiply by 100. That's the important piece here. If we want to turn the decimal into a percent, we need to remember to multiply by 100. Forgot that up there. So let's go ahead and calculate this. My new rate is 67.4 mLs per hour. My old rate is 58.7 mLs per hour. So I'm just going to go ahead and figure out what that value is. And I see here that it's going to be positive, and that tells me that my rate increased. So 67.4 minus 58.7, I get 8.7, and this is mLs per hour. So I have an increase of 8.7 mLs per hour. And now to find the percent change, let's divide that by the original value. 8.7 divided by the original value of 58.7, because we're always thinking about the relative value relative to the original value. I'm going to write out what I see in my calculator, 0.14821124. That's the decimal. And to turn this into a percent, I know I need to multiply that by 100. So this is approximately 14.8211, and that continues percent. And if we round this to the nearest tenths place, this is about 14.8% increase. So the key here is to remember to calculate the change first. You can do this all at once if you'd like, but I like to calculate the change first to give me an idea. Did the value increase or decrease? Divide that by the original value, making sure to turn that decimal into a percent.